So the grassy area that I've been parking my trailers is kind of turned into a slimy mud hole. You saw my truck struggling just a little bit to pull the dump trailer out, and you know, it's getting worse and worse there, and it's definitely not going to get any better here during the winter. We get lots of rain here. So I have ordered a few loads of gravel. I got some 1.5-inch base rock to spread over that muddy area, and then a couple of loads of 3/4 minus to put over the top of that. The 1.5-inch rock is kind of small for a base rock, I know. However, the ground is not soft there. It just is kind of greasy and slippery up on top. And so we're gonna kind of scrape that topsoil layer off, spread that base rock over the top, and then the 3/4 minus over the top of that. And I'm not gonna do any compacting or anything. I'm not driving heavy equipment here, and just over time, it's gonna tend to compact anyway with me bringing my trailers in. The tractor I'm gonna be using is my Kubota MX5100. And then the box blade's just a custom 6-foot box blade. It's a homemade one. But I've had that tractor, I think, for 12 years now. It's been just a great machine. I love it. It's got a little turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel in it. Thing runs great. So I will set up the cameras and bring you guys along. Hope you enjoy watching me do some tractor work. Well, it has been 2 weeks since I spread the gravel, and this is what we got. I've actually done quite a bit of driving here. Maybe a little hard to tell on the camera, but I have a couple of spots where maybe the gravel's a little thin, like right here. But overall, it's actually holding up pretty good. I did have one muddy spot where I brought in some extra gravel. I just dumped that with a bucket right there, so I still need to spread that with a box blade. But overall, the plan's working really good. I mean, we've got probably 7 or 8 inches of rain in the last couple of weeks. A couple of big storms blew through, and I've backed the trailers on and off of here like 20 times, and this is not turning to mud. So I'd say that my plan probably worked pretty good. I probably am going to take some of the leftover gravel and spread it on here, but at least for now, I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. So I do have a leftover pile of gravel right here, and I could spread this on the driveway. I might still, I'm not really sure, but I did start work with the tractor back here. I had to pull close to a foot of dirt off of the left side here. I ran into some big roots and I stopped the other day. I'm going to try and find a way to get those things out of there, but I am dragging that dirt down here and kind of extending my parking area. I hope to build a lean-to in this area this spring, so in about a month or two I'll probably start for that. So that 3/4 minus will be part of what I spread in here underneath the slab that I'm going to pour. So that's the plan with this. This will be a nice long, probably a 48-foot lean-to here. And on the low side here, the opening will be about 10 feet, so I'll be able to back and park both of my trailers in here under cover. That'll be the first time I've ever been able to do that, so I am looking forward to that. I'm not really sure on the timeline just yet, but hopefully it'll be soon. Well, that concludes the gravel spreading project. Pretty happy with the way that things turned out. And as I do more tractor work back here and get the site prepped for pouring my foundation over there, I'll bring you guys along for that. But I think that wraps up the gravel spreading project. Thanks for following along. Let me know if you think I should have done something different. I'm always willing to learn. So thanks again, and we'll see you guys on next week's video.